Hi, it's a pleasure to be at 24 Hours of Chaos. I want to start by thanking Victor Hugo, Ricardo Eloy, and everyone at Chaos Group for this event. And we will start off our presentation with Thais, our head of production. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and let's do it.
Hello, my name is Thais. I'm the head of production of Miralumo. We are a Brazilian studio founded in 2015 with the goal of producing original content in the fields of animation and live action. We also offer a variety of services like storyboard, 3D dev, animation, compositing, and visual effects. But to talk more about the story of Miralumo, I have to go back to 2014. In this year, me and my partner Gustavo, we were still in the Fine Arts University, and we received a financial support for production through incentive laws that supports audiovisual in Brazil. We had a chance to produce our animated short film called Napo, but we had a problem. It was 16 minutes of animation and 2 people. I don't think we could do it without some help. So, to solve this problem, we need to find more artists. But we have a better idea. Why don't create a school to train more artists, and when they are ready, we can hire them to work with us and create a community in our city. And here we go to create a school in the south of Brazil, in a place we don't have a solid animation industry. We had a 10% chance of success. But for our surprise, our school was a huge success. More than 6,000 students in 5 years. Revolution is a school that helps people to get closer to the dream of becoming an artist. Much more than teaching techniques and software, our main goals are to democratize access to knowledge about the digital arts and strengthen our art community. That's why we have 100 of free videos and podcasts about the career of a digital artist. And we have more than 120,000 monthly views on our YouTube channel. As our team enjoys a challenge, we decided to create Utopia, an art event with goal of uniting the digital art community in Brazil. Utopia is an experience for any creative person, illustrator, 3D modelers, VR development, and artists of all kinds. We had 3 editions. Last year was online, but in 2022 we hope to meet again. And here is an after movie for you to see a little bit about the event in 2019. And after the video, Gustavo, the director of Miralumo, will talk more about our short film called Napo and get a feel of the spirit of Utopia.
Hi, my name is Gustavo Ribeiro and I am a director and a 3D artist at Miralumo. I was also the director and one of the writers of the short film Napo. Napo is the story of John, a grandson that is unable to understand the illness that drives his grandfather between past and present states. He stumbles into an old album full of photographs and then let the images guide his imagination, transforming his grandpa's memories into drawing interpretations. Drawings that shape their relationship into history of remembrance and memory building. Napo was a movie that stayed for a long time in script development. From 2014 to 2018, we had developed more than 40 versions of the script. When official pre-production started in mid-2018, it took some time to figure out the design of our world. From 2D to 3D, we were incredibly lucky in the production to have some amazing artists as Rainer Alencar, Giovanni Kozowski, Daniel Freire, Victor Harmachuk, Fernando Pequet, Luan Francisco, Heloísa Duda, Thais Peixe, Ivan Stephan, Bruna Bastos, Renan dos Passos, and many others. One of the first things that we thought about the characters was that we would like to bring contrast for the shapes of Napo, the grandpa, and John, the grandson. We tried to put this contrast in design, colors, patterns of the characters' clothes, and in the environments that they were living in. Those rules would inform the process from design to asset development in 3D. In the asset development stage, we had in mind two things: good and efficient topology for models and procedural and tileable masks for textures. We used a mix of procedural textures and Substance Painter generated masks in this project. The main goal of this was to have control of textures and shading at render time. This was only possible because we rendered the whole project in V-Ray, that for us is the fastest production ready render in the market. We used a lot of curvature, V-Ray dirt, V-Ray layered textures, and V-Ray background noise that is an incredible powerful noise. If you want to know more about his workflow, just go to the Adam Martin channel on YouTube and you will be able to transfer all the knowledge to V-Ray for Maya. In the beginning of lighting, we knew that we would need to develop a new light linking system to make it easier and faster to do linking in V-Ray and Maya. Lighting in V-Ray was pretty incredible, as V-Ray provided us with amazing render times and easy workflows to light interiors with area lights and adaptive dome lights. One thing that was really important for us in light was the light consistency through shots. We started lighting by lighting the master shot and creating light rigs for those shots, and then delivering those light rigs to other lighters. In total, we had almost 170 shots to do lighting and compositing in multi-channel EXR and built rebuilding. Doing this short was an incredible journey of learning and memory building. I feel really fortunate to have an amazing team to make this dream come true. The short was awarded in festivals around the world, and we had the opportunity to show him for a diverse audience. To finalize this section, I want to show the trailer of our movie, but before, I want to thank Chaos Group for believing in our project and for being one of our sponsors. Now I will show you the trailers and then Ivan will talk a little bit more about our future projects.
Hi, my name is Ivan Stephan. I'm the head of technology at Miralumo. Although we have a great focus on original content, we are exploring the world of advertising. In this next guide commercial, we entered the Houdini simulations for the first time. The big challenge was to make the fur dynamics look like stop motion, simulating distortions in the puppet's hair by the animator. This also brought our attention to the rigging process, how time-consuming and technically challenging it is. In Napo, we had some difficult times rigging the characters. Even small adjustments and bug fixing during the animation process were a nightmare. This made us think, why not create our own rig plugin? Well, this crazy idea gave birth to the Frog Rigged project, a framework for rigging in Maya. Before Frog, a rig could take weeks from our timeline. Now we can rig a character in minutes, and after some skinning, we are ready to go. This has been allowing us to test character poses during look dev and even do small animation tests. Right now, we have quadrupeds fully implemented, and humanoids and facial rig are on the way. The framework allows us to add new features or tweaks to already rigged characters, sometimes without any compromise to the skin or the animation. Adding a new rig style to the framework can take some time, similar to manually rigging a character. But as soon as the new rig is available in the plugin, you can rig as many characters as you want in minutes.
Hi, I'm here again just to say thank you for everyone that watched our presentation. I want to thank you guys for your attention and time. I also want to thank Ricardo Eloy, Vitor Hugo, and everyone at Chaos Group for making this effort to do this event. And to finalize, I want to thanks to the whole team of Miralumo. Nothing that we showed here was an individual effort, it was a team effort. And nothing that we showed would be possible without this amazing team that we have. We have a lot of help through our journey, and I want to thank everyone involved in that journey. And I also want to thank everyone at Revolution School and Topia, because you guys also gave us support. And to finalize, if you have any doubts about our presentation, you can send us an email and we will be happy to answer everything. I hope you guys are safe and see you next time. Bye.